My name is Jacob and I'm going to be reading Grandpa's Mumbling House. I'm going to start from around the middle of the book. The phone was ringing when we stepped inside. It was Mum. She asked how Grandpa and I were. And I told her all about the clam digging and how I got lost in the fog. Then Mum told me I was going to love the new house and my new bedroom. She said I could paint it any colour I wanted. I was smiling when I hung up. I helped Grandpa rinse the sand out of the clams in the sink. Then we put them in a big pot. Then he added water and then we put the clams on the stove to steam open. While they heated, we chopped the onions and diced potatoes. After the clams cooled off, I helped Grandpa pluck them out of their shells. Then he started to make clam chowder.